Greetings to you all children. Today I am back with the EVS lesson. Topic is honey, sweet honey. When we hear the word honey, our mouth gets watered. Yes? Why? It's because honey is sweet. In this chapter, we will study about the animals moving together, honeybee sucking the nectar from a flower, the process of making honey, and the last uses of honey. Let us go in detail about the chapter. It's wonderful to watch animals living together. Look at the picture given, children. You see, ants have gathered around the pieces of sweet meat and how unitedly they are carrying their food. Look at the cat licking its kitten with love. And the elephants and also the deer, they move together. Look at the birds flying together in the sky. All these indicates that animals move together. Animals live together. They carry their work unitedly. Look at this picture. Honeybee sucking nectar from a flower. Where do the honeybees build their hive? Honeybees build its hive on the branches of trees, terrace of big building. The size of bees and of hive is not the same. Some build its hive in space between the stones. Children, have you ever seen the honeybees living together? Have you ever watched how they make the beehive? Here I will say some points about the beehive. In the hive there are thousands of bees live like a family. They are the big family. And there is one queen bee and the rest are worker bees. The worker bees do the works such as building the hive, collecting food, looking after the queen bee, etc. The work of the queen bee is only laying eggs. It's very beautiful to hear, no children? Now, what happens? They make the beehive and they produce a sticky material called wax. Wax is a sticky material and they build the hive with the wax, with the help of the wax. And they build the hive branches on the branches and in the hollows of trees, between the terrace of the big buildings. And they eat the nectar from the flower. Do you got the point, children? Honey bees eat nectar from the flowers. And do you know that all honey what we eat is not pure? Whatever the honey we buy from the market, that is mixed with jaggery, some types of sugar syrup, to the honey and sell it out. And we also should know how to find out whether the honey is pure or not. Now, let us see this experiment. Take a glass tumbler, put some water in it, add 2 or 3 drops of honey into the water. If it mixes with water before it settles down, it is not pure honey. But if it settles down and mixes with water very slowly, then it is pure honey. Children, do you use honey at home? For what purpose do you use it? We use honey as medicine to cure the common cough and cold, is it not? We also use honey to cure the wound as ointment. Now here this picture says about the uses of hive. Uses of hive. From the hive, the things are produced. They are honey, candle, paint, ointment, powder and ink. Once again, I tell you, it is given in your textbook, page number 17. The uses of hive. From the hive, the following things are produced, extracted. They are honey, candle, paint, ointment, powder and ink. Look at the picture and match it accordingly. This picture I will send to you through the classroom and copy it in your EVS notebook. Write the correct answers. And I will come back to you with the next lesson in the next day.